The tire for our new van, it's popped. So we're calling to see if they can change it because it's under the car. What? Good morning, Link. Buenos días, papas. Oh. Up. Hey, what are you doing in my bed? Huh? ¿Qué estás haciendo en mi cama? He woke up early, se levantó tempranito.
If I wasn't ready here.
Yeah. He laughed. Just be nice, okay? Despacito. Huh?
I don't want my hair be done.
Why? ¿Por qué?
Because I want to touch I want my hand to be soft when my hair gets soft.
Trying to get Harito ready. He doesn't want his hair spiky, so I'm just gonna comb it over so it's soft.
That'll be soft later.
It should. Let me see. Let's see. There you go. Well, Harito's breakfast is all ready, and I also recorded a tutorial this morning, so I woke up like at 5:30. This is what he's taking. I'm just gonna close it right now. And I've been trying to catch up with all the videos, all the vlogs, everything I have on my computer. It's just so hard because like I wake up in the morning and I have to make breakfast and lunch and get everything ready, go to school. We come back and I usually make my breakfast, but now I've been doing it with Jarito, that way we can both eat together. So I come back and it's like, gotta clean the house a little so it's not so bad and messy and, you know, disorganized. So I do that, and like at 9:30ish, then Ling wants to eat. So I gotta lay down, feed him, see if he'll fall asleep, which usually he falls asleep for like 10 minutes. And I just start doing laundry, so that doesn't give me a lot of time. And then he wakes up and I play a little with him and you know, just chill and keep him entertained. So like around 11:30, 12, he wants to fall asleep again, so I gotta lay down and feed him, and he takes a nap. But like at 1 something, I gotta start getting ready because Harry is about to get out of school. So he gets out of school and I gotta do homework, dinner, practice his words with him. So I have like no time in between because I gotta make sure that he learns his words, that he's doing his homework right, that he's practicing. So like I wish I had a little bit more time to edit, but at the same time I just gotta do a lot of things. So I've been trying to wake up earlier and try to get it done before they wake up and start making lunches and everything. I've been trying to keep the house clean. Like if something gets dirty, I clean it right away, that way I don't have to do it again. Or spend so much time cleaning. Like right now I gotta just wash the dishes real quick before we go, that way I can focus on editing, which I already I think I'm gonna publish a video right now. So I mean it's pretty chaotic here trying to get things done. Walking to school. Huh? Doesn't have gas. Oh my god. Let's go. So I was working out a little while this buddy was kind of still sleepy waking up. But now I'm making this diaper because I'm supposed to take his 5 months pictures, and the ones that I was using, it might be a little too small, so I'm gonna have another cloth option. And since his shirt is gray, making a gray diaper for him. The only thing I feel like this one is darker, but I mean it's still gonna be gray. I just want to keep like the whole year I want to take pictures of the same shirt or same color and see the progress. But here I grew that one and I couldn't find another onesie that was his size, so we're improvising. We are taking Link's pictures right now, his 5th month. Right, Link? You're playing with the balloon now. We're just waiting for Gerardito to finish his homework so he can be in the pictures. My god, brother, you're taking forever. No, be nice. Good morning, little Link. You woke up so early today. Hi. Hi. Time to change your diaper. Good morning. Buenos días. Good morning. How come you're not dressed yet? Baby, it's late, it is tarde, come on.
I wake up so early.
No, it's already past 7. Go get dressed. Ve, cámbiate, ándale.
I am.
Okay. The tire for our new van, it's popped. So we're calling to see if they can change it because it's under the car. Hey. Hi. Look. I got burned with the bacon fat.
Shouldn't have done that.
Yeah. I was making food for 2 days, which is today and tomorrow, because my mom is coming home to take care of the boys. So I don't want her struggling with having to take care of them and making food and all that. So I'm just making carne en su jugo. I'm gonna drop it in the crock pot, and so it can be made for tomorrow. But I'm exhausted already. I woke up so early. So weird. Killing the ice back here. Good morning. Link is asleep. I'm getting ready for work. My mom should be coming later today.
Recording me.
Hi, I've been vlogging today.
Hi. Yeah, I
just
have
chilling.
vlogs too on my phone, but you don't want to take them out.
I haven't got there
4
yet.
bedroom and 2 bath.
He just got out of the shower and Link is chilling in his chair, looking at the cat, having a stare contest. He loves the cats. Ever since I let him pet them, he's all obsessed with them. Like he just wants to look at them and, you know, follow them everywhere. So I don't know what's gonna happen when he starts crawling, because he kind of grabs onto them and Pichot doesn't really like that. So we'll see.
What the freak?
That looks pretty cool. Joe. So
I
he's
can't even see
looking.
it.
He's looking at. It looks like a Minecraft house. He's looking.
That's a pool right there.
Yeah.
There you go.
He looks like a.
Let me see.
He's looking at houses, daydreaming.
Oh.
He got a lot closer.
Yeah. Look, Papas. Look.
Get it.
Go get it.
Don't get frustrated. Come on, go, go, go.
So the kids are already in bed. Everybody is trying to get asleep. I'm just getting things ready for tomorrow so I don't have to wake up so early. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you tomorrow. Good night.